everyone, and welcome back to Modded Slime Rancher. So the first thing I want to do is, I remember in the first episode, I think I accidentally shot the heartbeat that was missing over here. Looks like it's gone though, must have rotted away. Let's collect these quartz. So, is this too loud? Should I lower the volume? There. We'll try that. I know that there are 3 more slimes in this area, and we don't have, and 2 of them are carnivores, and I don't think we have the chickens to support them. So the main things that we're going to be doing, the main 2 things that we're going to be doing today is A, we will be trying to get phosphor slimes, and we will also be trying to get more chickens for the coop. Pulse wave. I think that like knocks things back. But I will check. Looks like we already have enough for the start of the cage. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get into all the things we need for phosphor slimes. Alright. Forgot we had a flashlight. Pulse wave. That's a pulse emitter to the backpack that pushes away slimes whenever you need some personal space. Yep, that's what it does. Alright. So, over here, we will probably start the build of the cage. God. There. So here's everything we need. Obviously, we need to start the cage, but we also need high walls, an air net, and most importantly, a solar shield. Because if they're emitted to the, if the sun's, he touches them for too long, they'll die. So we need to work on that. So we're gonna go try to find hens and also more plorts. Can has plorts, thank you very much. Ooh, Doge plort. Have we ever had a Doge plort? I'm not sure. Oh, come on. I will take a chickadoo. But honestly, I feel like... never mind. I feel like we're gonna find more hens. We'll carry it, but like, until we find hens, but... We're probably gonna find more hens, and that'll be the end of that. Oh my god. Holy crap. It looks like this is going up way faster. I think with the big slimes, I think you're probably only able to catch a max of 10. But that's my theory. Are you kidding me? Or just because I shot them out? Oh no, there's one over here. Jeez. Anyway, hen. Oh right, it's a pink slime. Okay. 5 hens isn't terrible. We'll probably be... Nope. Nope. Hard pass. Ow! Keep accidentally turning on the flashlight. Ooh, we gotta read that. Victor Humphreys. Oh, I know that guy. He's the one that if you get enough things for on the range exchange, you can go to the lab and get and do glitch slime stuff. Never been able to do that, actually. We'll try to do that at some point. Oh my god. Nope. Bye-bye. Ow. Let's get this guy away from the stars at least. Let's come here. There you go. You're welcome. In exchange, you don't hurt me anymore. Actually, pulling him over to a bunch of slimes that neither of his parts as a Larko are connected to might not have been a great idea. Yeah, it'll be fine. Hopefully. So we did get a bunch of more hens. That's great. This probably still isn't enough to support a bunch of carnivorous slimes, though. Range exchange? Oh god. Okay. That's not happening! I mean, I'll try, but it's not gonna happen. Dude. No. It's okay. We're fine. We're fine. Give me the tabbies. So we're gonna need 10 tabbies. I don't think that we're gonna be able to get 10 tabbies. But we will try. Come on, spawn some tabbies for me. Let's try the other area that they spawn. Let's try other areas where they spawn. I still gotta go read that mail, but I think we're gonna have to try and finish this range exchange thing first, because I don't think we have time for that. Of course, when you need them, they're not gonna spawn. Like, duh. Ow. Oh, ow. Give me tabbies. This is not happening. I know they spawn over here a lot. There's one. I need way more than one, guys. There you go. There you go. Where is it? I saw it. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. We need 5 more. We're halfway there. Come on, Slimies. We might not. We might need to. I think there might be too many for them to spawn. Okay, we're gonna have to get rid of some. Don't worry, this doesn't kill them. It says in the Slimepedia that they just wash away and then they get brought somewhere else. So we are essentially just removing them from the area so that more can spawn. Like this. Come on. Spawn some more slimes. You got this. No? Okay. Dang it. What's the point even picking these up yet? I feel like let's just get back to the ranch. This is why I can never do the Victor Humphreys things. I don't understand what he wants from us. Whatever. It's fine. We're focusing on getting quartz anyway. We'll be alright. This guy's crazy. I think we need to go back out and try again, but like... this is hard. I hate the Victor Humphreys parts, they're annoying. Alright, let's keep trying. We want 6 phosphors and 5 more tabbies. I should have picked up those phosphors, but I could. That was a mistake. Come on, spawn more slimes. You got this. There's a phosphor. Come here. We should actually read some of these entries. Those stripes, that tail, that wiggle wiggle wiggle. Perky ears, striped backs, swaying tails, you may mistake them for a true feline if it weren't for them being entirely made of slime, of course. The softly glowing heralds of starlight. Phosphorus slimes come out at night, flying blah, 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 blah. Yep, they come out at night. Phosphorus slimes have a luminescent core that pulses with a soft glow, making them easy to spot. It's for this reason that rangers sometimes refer to them as low stars. Oh, that's cute. We might have these get the rest of these later. I might read the rest of them later, but right now, paying attention to other things. Come on, we're gonna need a lot more slimes than you guys are giving us! Yes, slimes! Phosphorus! This one. More tabbies. There's pink over there. Okay. Oh my god. Come on, we need way more. Okay, we need 2 more tabbies and we need 4 more phosphors. God, these things are so annoying. I knew this was gonna be a problem. Ow. Huh? These aren't tabbies. I need tabbies. Let's see. Ow! Ow! More of these? Jeez. Ah! Okay. That's on you. Me sucking you up there was totally on you because how dare you. If we don't get them, if we don't get the rest of the phosphors by the end of tonight, I think we're just screwed. Because we only have 24 hours to do this. More tabbies, please. Yes, 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 yes. And a phosphor, and a phosphor, and a phosphor. Where's the tabby? Where's the tabby? Boom. Okay, we need 1 more tabby. We need 1 more tabby. 3 more phosphors. Oh god, we're not gonna be able to get all the phosphors. No shot. Oh, what happened? Come on. Come on, let's empty out the area a little bit. There, so that should have reset the area a little bit. So hopefully more tabbies will spawn. And more normal and more phosphors and all that jazz. So we're gonna leave. Check that area over here again, and then when we come back, hopefully it'll be there. Okay, we're heading back. Sorry, slimes, we can't handle all this. We don't have time. Yeah, go. You guys had one job. Oh god. Oh god. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Let's go back and check. Ah, what was that? Let's go back and check this area again. Because we're running out of time. Phosphorus! Tabbies! Oh my god. Come on, Tabby. Okay, we're done with Tabbies. Tabbies are done. We need... Ugh, come on. Goodness. We need 2 more phosphors. Maybe we'll have 1. Come on. Come on, bring the phosphorus. Don't be shy. Just 2 more. Might be screwed. That's gonna suck because we're so close. Oh my god. 1 there. It's only 1 though. We need 1 more. And then we need to sprint back to the ranch as fast as humanly possible. Because I don't think the time limit's up yet, but I'm not sure. Oh my god! Go, 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 go. Yeah, I was up all night. Thank you for that achievement. Come on. You better be still active. Yes! Oh, we had 5 minutes left. Okay. God. Oh. Okay. Solar shield. And we still need the internet. Dang it. Okay. Ooh! Okay, I think we're literally gonna get all of the... Once we get all of the stuff, or the phosphors, and then get the phosphors, I think we're gonna have to, like, immediately stop. We are gonna have to wait until morning, though. We're gonna have to wait until night comes again, and that's sucky. Because I don't think you can sleep until night. I should check. I should check. No, it doesn't look like it's an option. We'll read the star mail in a little bit. Okay. Okay, we finished the internet. The phosphor cage is done. We're gonna have to have a goal in the meantime while we wait for night to come. I guess we could try to get even more chickens. I guess we'll go get more chickens, yeah. Oh, he's all rotted. It'd be cool if we could get a Largo. I don't know what Largo we would get, though. We're almost out of room, though. We're like... We only have one cage left. I think we need to focus... We need to get some expansions. I think this is the first expansion we should get. Holy crap, that's expensive. The Overgrowth, because this has a lot of free-roaming chickens, which means we can support more carnivores when that happens, when we get that. So, we can... So let's go get some more money, and some more plorts. And... then... we can... probably get some more meat eaters when that happens. We're not good. There's no way we're getting the Overgrowth in this episode. We're gonna end like the second we get phosphorus. But in the next episode, maybe. Next episode, I have some plans, but this episode is probably gonna be wrapping up when we get phosphorus. I think this is gonna be a longer one than usual. Come on. Ooh, we're maxed out on pink plorts. Let's look at that achievement we got. Stay up all night. Yep. Stay at 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. the next day. It's because of Victor Humphreys. So... we could try to get some achievements. We have 3 different fruit trees on the ranch. 3 different veggies. We don't have room for any of that. Be knocked out before 10 a.m. Return to the ranch after more than 24 hours away. Ooh. Feed pink slimes on the ranch 10 different types of food. Incinerate an elder chicken. Ooh. I remember there's one achievement that I, like, refused to get on the PS4. I think it's called You Monster. Here it is. Send an adorable chick to a fiery end. Same place you're now destined to go. If we focus on achievements, that's probably going to be one of, like, the last things we do. I hope you guys don't mind this being a longer episode. Phosphorus just take a while to get, and I don't want to, like, stop midway through. Oh my god, we went out to get chickens and then we didn't get a single chicken. But we got a lot of money! That's something. So let's go back. Chickens. We need to get chickens. In Slime Rancher 2, which I am hoping to play on this channel at some point. But in that game, chickens grow up a lot faster, so you can support a lot more carnivores a lot faster. So this problem is not going to be a problem. once we get to that point. Chicken, chickadoo, roostro, more roostro, hen. You know, it says that roostros are rare. I feel like they're not that rare. Like gold slimes and lucky slimes are rare. Have we even gotten the stuff for them? I don't think we've seen a gold slime or a tabby slime or a lucky slime. No, we haven't yet. That'll probably happen at some point. Oh right, we gotta read more mail to read. Wow. I wonder. We only got the Victor Humphreys thing after we got the letter from him. So I wonder if you only get the, God, it's so loud. I wonder if you only get like range exchanges from people whenever. Yep. I don't think we're gonna have time. But next time, definitely. Why did I just pause in the rock slime enclosure? That was weird. And also dangerous. It's a miracle I didn't get hit. Alright. I kind of wish time passed while you were reading letters, because then we could be reading red letters and passing time that way. Maybe we should get slime for the Gordo. Maybe we should get food for the Gordo, because we have a lot of chickens already. They'll probably breed. Let's get some food. Maybe we can get our first slime key. We'll see. That would be awesome, because I want to unlock a new area pretty soon. Or maybe not so soon, if we keep, if we unlock the overgrowth, I might want to stick around and get Doge and Tabby first. We'll see. This might finish him off. Yep. Bon appetit! I will pink ornament? Oh, it's the Ditto face! Bam. And now we have a slime key. An ancient key for an ancient lock. So whenever... So once we unlock the lab, which, God, the lab is so expensive. Are you kidding me? You can, like, get special faces for them, and one of them is the Ditto face, which essentially looks like the Ditto face from Pokemon. And... Is that like are they allowed to do this? I'm pretty sure it's literally called the Ditto face. Like, I'm surprised Nintendo / Game Freak / whatever didn't do anything about it. But maybe the Ditto thing is from something else, and I'm just not good at that stuff. I don't know. We'll see. Well, we won't see, but you know what I mean. So this is what leads to the lab. So I think I'm gonna put this ornament here. And we'll put the pink ornament on the pink slime cage. Okay. Oh, you guys are already hungry. I mean, we don't really have anything better to do right now, so sure, why not? Here. I hope I don't regret that. But it does look like we have a pretty good amount of chickens right now. Ooh, should we get... Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. It kicked me out for some reason. But back to the video. So... We still need to pass more time in order to... like, get night soon. Ooh, sun's setting. So we're probably gonna be able to end pretty soon, so let's go. Oh my god! This is a long episode. I'm sorry. I hope you guys don't mind, but it just is. I don't know when the time starts that you can get phosphors. Ow. But I don't think it's that time yet, but it's getting really close. I was hoping I wouldn't have to edit this video together, but I'm gonna have to because of that. Fine. Okay, I can see stars. Okay. I don't know how many phosphors I want, but I love them, so I would be fine with a lot of them. Plus, we have their favorite food, so these are gonna get us a lot of money really fast, which is really gonna help with getting the overgrowth. I am very confident that phosphors can spawn now. So we just gotta run around and hope that they spawn. Like the Victor Humphreys thing, all over again, in the same episode. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, slime... Are you kidding me? I wasn't trying to grab... Let's go to somewhere with less slimes. Maybe that'll make them more likely to spawn. We'll see. See, when I threw out the tar, it spawned in a one rock slime, because I think there's like a limit to how many slimes can spawn at once in one area. And so... that allowed more to spawn. Yes! Boom. Okay, that's one. I definitely want more than one. But that's one. I usually get like a lot of these, but like if we can't find a lot of them, then that's fine. It's not the end of the world. Ow. I guess I'll try to reset the area. Hi. Bye. Come on, spawn me some phosphors. These guys just appeared out of nowhere. Wow. It would really suck if we only get one phosphor. We can always get more in a later episode, so it's fine. As long as we get some, I'm happy. Nope. Hard pass. Got any more phosphorus for me? I don't even think I have enough inventory space to carry all those. There's too many. It's the tar apocalypse. Okay, we actually have to start fighting these. There's too many. And they're stopping slimes from spawning. See, look, now that it's super empty here, more slimes are definitely going to have to spawn. And when that happens, some of them might be phosphors, right? Right? We'll read that later. Because that's like the path to another area, so we'll wait. Come on, spawn some slimes for me. You got this? How? Oh my god. You have to be joking. Oh, right, these guys. Okay, I really need the end of the video soon. I think we'll check the areas a few more times, and then we probably have to go back to the ranch. Excuse me. Yeah, let's just head back. Okay, that's fine. We'll get more in a later episode, it's alright. Maybe we'll run into some on the way back, but I'm not feeling very hopeful. This night is just not good for phosphorus, I guess. We'll check this area one more time. Yeah, okay. Let's just head back. And we definitely don't have time to read the Star Mail. Oh my god! Oh, I almost ate that plort. Oh my god. There's another one. Oh! Okay, I'll take that. Let's get out of here. There we go. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.